What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, Mercedes C63 AMG, and this car belongs to a fellow subscriber. Thank you so much for bringing your car to us. We got a beautiful Mercedes, nothing too crazy, little front end damage. Looks like the bumper, headlight might be little scrapes right here. And then something with the wheel. So we're gonna pull the car inside right now. I'm gonna remove the wheel. We're gonna send it out to get reconditioned and start working on it. We're gonna get a new bumper. This one looks like it's been repaired. Has a bunch of rock chips and then it has a hole right here. So we're gonna replace it. But let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. Just got the Mercedes in the shop, so now we could start working on it, and it's pretty straightforward damage. This car is going through insurance, so they put new bumper, new headlight, and resprayed the right side fender. Let's check it out. So this bumper has been repainted before, and then it has a damage. It went through the bumper, so insurance company replaced the front bumper, so new bumper, and then headlight is damaged, and then it got pushed in. So new headlight, new bumper, and resprayed the fender. So we're gonna make this car look like brand new again. And check this out. Guess somebody worked on this before. Look at the headlight. Big gap right here. Nothing lines up, so I'm gonna have to readjust the light later on. But let's continue removing the bumper. And then I know a lot of you guys gonna be asking, what do you guys do with the old parts? Well, old parts, we gotta turn them back into the dealer. So whenever we get a new part, they usually put this sticker, core. So that's what happens to the old parts. They go back to the dealer in order for us to get a little discount. They have to have some kind of a core, half of the bumper, whatever, doesn't matter, whatever left of the bumper or the headlight, they need it back for the core. So that's what happens to the old parts. Next, I gotta remove this molding as well, so Andre could paint this fender, because this rubber is way too close, so we gotta remove that. Then for the final, I'll remove this emblem. We got a new one already up there. That's it, my job is done for now. Andre's gonna do his magic, and then after paint, I'll start putting everything back together and get this car ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Let's do this. gotta transfer everything from this bumper to that one. So lots of things I gotta transfer. Let's flip the bumper around. Look at this. So many plastics. The newer the car, the more plastics they put. Just took the bumper apart, so now we're ready to start reinstalling them. And before I install them, I'm gonna do something extra. Since he's a fellow subscriber, he drove from far away to come here, so a little appreciation, and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. The grills are a little faded already from the sun and stuff like that, so we're gonna restore them. We're gonna respray them black and they're gonna look brand new. We're gonna do this one, those two, the center, and then for the final we're gonna do this one, the main grill, because he's gonna have pretty much a complete brand new bumper, and it's gonna look not good when this is all faded. So we're gonna restore this and those three pieces, and it's gonna look very, very nice. So see, that's the benefits of coming to LNC Collision. Okay, let's restore them and then I'll show you guys the final product. And usually for all the plastic restore, I use trim black. This stuff is the best, works like a magic. That's the number 39143. Highly recommend. They're gonna look like brand new. Now they're gonna look like brand new. See how bad this one looks? Plus it has like some silver overspray, and they're super faded compared to this one. This one looks brand new and this one looks faded. Let me go prep this real quick, clean it up, and we'll spray it again. And then for the final, we're gonna paint that star as well, so it's nice and brand new looking. Nice, very, very nice. Everything is dried up, so now we can start installing all the grills back on the bumper. So check out, it looks so much better. I put the grill together already, and then for the final, I end up respraying those little pieces as well. So we're gonna have a brand new front looking bumper. Okay, and this is our brand new headlight. Woo! Very, very nice. So I gotta transfer one of the computers, the lower one, and we're ready for installation. And here's the old one, so I just gotta remove this computer, do a quick transfer. We plug this into the new one. That's it. We're ready for installation. Just put the bumper together, so now we're ready to start installing it. But came out super nice, brand new bumper. I restored this as well, all the grills, and it's looking very, very nice. Mr. Christian just arrived, so we're gonna do a detail inside out, and then for the final we're gonna do a polish the whole car, so it's gonna look like brand new. Let's go. Mercedes is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, came out beautiful, like a brand new car. So we end up getting a brand new bumper, restored all the grills, brand new headlight, repainted the fender, reconditioned the right side front wheel, and detailed the car inside out. And look how clean it is. Woo! Compared to what it was, man. Customer is gonna be very happy. And we did 3 steps polish, and this is the final product. We're officially finished with this project. Customer is on his way to come pick up the car, and we'll get his reaction. Should be a good one. What's up, brother?
What's up, boss? How you doing?
Good, good. Your baby is good to go.
Man, I really appreciate y'all. She looks beautiful.
Yeah,
I didn't expect nothing less. Brother, I appreciate y'all.
Shining bright like a diamond. And then on your key, your battery was dying, so I got you a new battery as well.
Brother, thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
We went above and beyond with this one.
Thank y'all, man. Thank you.
Little Christmas gift from LNC.
We take care of our subscribers, especially if they come see us. We do above and beyond. Ben ordered all the parts, brand new from the dealer. Nothing used, nothing repaired.
Headlight, and the glad painted all the black plastic trim that was faded from the design.
It looks phenomenal.
Enjoyed the car, and thank you once again for coming over to us and
I'll
trusting.
be bringing my Lamborghini Huracan Technica next.
Nice,
Sure,
nice.
yeah.
All right, brother.
Thank you, man.
That's gonna be the end of this video. Another happy customer, man. That's the best feeling when a customer gets his car and he's super happy and the car looks like nothing ever happened. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!